Yeah, hello everyone. I am MC Eberman, aka the Wulewa Master. In case you are meeting me you are watching me for the first time. And this is New Planet TV. And this place will report news, will feed the public with vital information. Anything when they happen for the society, we they talk them for you. So people they send me stories, news through my email, WhatsApp. We see MC Eberman talk about this thing. The last news when I talk about a woman when go thief a neighbor picking a neighbor because the woman say rush go somewhere go buy mangi take cook. Now I kidnap the neighbor picking, put her for inside sack, go hide them for 4 days. The woman come back when my picking begin to cry, my picking, my baby. This idiot woman see the fall and they look for the picking. Unknowing to the woman say she don't go hide them for bush. For 4 days now I keep the picking for there. The 4th day when she won't carry and go to do the money ritual, I did for cash the woman. But thank God say the baby not die. I don't read that news before. At the talk and say the quest for money now, it drive many people crazy. Or you both say a step at a time. Mama when you tell the pikin say my pikin, life na jeje, take life easy. The mama not be fool. You can never be faster than your shadow. If not life they dark, triumph. As you they run, that's your shadow they run follow you. This is another way to happen now. A young boy for Benin just happened now. He killed his own father for money ritual. The boy buy brand new car for the papa. He give the papa drive the car just for few days. Then the papa die. The papa gladly receive and say, my pikin don't buy motor for me. You know, say my pikin don't give me debt, you won't kill me. You won't say the pikin don't kill him. Few days, then the papa die. So the burial ground, now the thing backfired. The boy begin run mad, they begin to confess. You kill your own father. You bring Pekin, as a father, you bring Pekin to this life. The Pekin delete you away from this life. You take you away from this life. Abomination. When I see the video. For Benin, now it will happen. It happen all over Nigeria. It happen for everywhere. This one just happen for Benin now, free cent. Now see the boy. You see life. What makes you think if other people they make a genuine? What to make you think so you know if you make your money genuinely? You don't make people cry because you want to smile. Because you want to go up. You know what I mean? You go bring somebody down. You don't need to kill somebody because you want to live. Now you can't fit to live. Okay, now you kill your father as a young boy. You have money. You have money. If your father not enjoy your money, what you can't gain? Does that make sense? If your mama not enjoy your money, does that make sense? Some go kill their father, some go kill their mother, some go kill the sister. Now some people they kill innocent, another man picking and they go nice on the key. Just imagine, see this young boy begin to cry, daddy, because it's obvious that he killed the father. The thing backfire because all head not be the same. God make it happen so that the rest Yahoo boys will go get those Yahoo they do Yahoo plus. Remove your hand from Yahoo. Say no to illegal money. Make your money genuinely. This one a lesson to every Yahoo boys. If you are not remove hand for bad for innocent people life, this same thing still happen to you. Make your money genuinely. Now you can't fit to live so that make others die because you want to make money. They're born in meet money, you will still die live money. So you want somebody to die so that you will get money. So now this world where God created so He created for only you. Your quest for money, do not let it take someone's life. Because you get odd. Love for money. Money are just paper where they put value. Yes, it's for human, we need them. But no overlove the money because that the money can control you. You can have dominion over you. You are supposed to have dominion over money. So if you want to get that same money, get it in a genuine source. Do not kill somebody to get money. See him now? See the idiot? See face? See backfire? See the way it backfire? You kill your own father because of money. So please be wise. Parents, look at the pray. Say God, not give me picking when me say you will kill me. You know if you trust stranger, you do not even know who to trust. Your own picking against it, but Papa said not to trust. How can picking they kill your own Papa? Picking go kill your own Mama. This kind of life, this world don't finish. It don't finish. Ajagota akboriri. Finito. Frenchman says c'est fini. German say fetish. It don't finish. Be wise. Yahoo boy, say no to Yahoo money, say no to illegal money, say no to blood money. Go and make your money genuinely. Otherwise, you're not feel crazy like this boy. Too bad. Too bad. I feel for the family, feel for everybody. Too bad. Say no. Okay, I remain MC Eberman, aka the Wulewa Master. This is the other side of me. Share this broadcast. Share this broadcast for people to wise, to create awareness. Share this broadcast. Very, very important. Okay, like my page on Facebook. Give the world the truth. And subscribe to my YouTube channel, the New Planet TV, and MC Eberman, comedian as well. All right, don't stay out of trouble till I come your way again.